My next upload today is with regard to the offences that I've mentioned already in my previous uploads, and the prevalent and serious matter of offences that individuals are causing from a day-to-day basis. As I've mentioned, I'm experiencing human rights violations, and there are individuals on my family property, my marital property, my ancestral property, and as I've already mentioned, there are individuals that are in my proximity, and I live in a one-bedroom apartment, and as a woman that's to be automatically protected due to my role in legislation, my role as a law-abiding citizen, my humanitarian protection is also another factor. This matter of being in these housing circumstances is really not suitable, and it's a very poor reflection on the matter that I'm raising from a day-to-day basis, with consideration for failings and wrongdoings, and the issue that obligations haven't been fulfilled to safeguard my royal lineage or my royal patronage. Now, as I've mentioned, the government have been made aware of the offences I'm experiencing, and I'm not comfortable with people in my proximity violating whistleblower protection laws. So as I've worked for 3 state departments, I'm wondering what the Garda Síochána would be able to provide for this circumstance with individuals in my proximity that are violating my protection entitlements. So there have been quite serious problems caused to my child that should be in my care that was unlawfully separated from my care. And there's another serious matter with people on my property, my family property. So this is a very important matter for the relevant authorities to address in Tralee, County Kerry, due to individuals that are in my proximity and that are threatening the safety of royal patronage. So the circumstances with regard to housing, and this being an emergency accommodation, highlights other factors that have been unsuitable. The environmental damage, the issue of individuals trespassing while I'm not in my apartment, the issue of my food products, my toiletries, simple things like that. So there's a very serious issue when a married mother is experiencing people trespassing onto her property. And it's another serious matter when a child is unlawfully separated from a mother and then experiences very serious harms. So I'd appreciate the Garda Síochána acknowledging that the role of legislation and humanitarian protection and royal patronage and whistleblower protection laws, etc., that are my automatic entitlement, are precedence, or take precedence over individuals in my proximity threatening my royal patronage. So this is an important notice to the Garda Síochána and the Department of Justice with regard to individuals that are to be removed from my proximity, and the issue also of my marital property and my child being safeguarded immediately in my care.